big. Oh, it's really big. It's really big. Hi, I'm Pat and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm so excited because I'm going to be unboxing my brand new King of Christmas Christmas tree. If you've been watching my YouTube for some time, you'll know that I love Christmas. I have lots of other Christmas videos, and I'm especially excited this year because we've moved, so I have a new house to decorate. And this year, I'm even more excited because I'm an affiliate for the King of Christmas. The King of Christmas is a Christmas tree brand that makes some of the most realistic artificial Christmas trees that you can get. So you can see the boxes here behind me, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox that. So let's roll the intro and we'll jump right into it. Okay, so I've got my King of Christmas tree box here and we're gonna open that up. Now my cat has been working on shredding this. He thinks the box is for him, so he might come over and give us a hand. We're gonna need some tools to get us started opening this box, so I'll be right back. All right, don't forget your eye protection. And I've got my saw, so I can definitely cut this open, no problem. No, I'm just kidding. We're not gonna use a saw to open this. Okay, so I've got my scissors. And that's how we're gonna open it. Okay, so the King of Christmas makes a whole bunch of different artificial Christmas trees, and they come in a bunch of different varieties, and they categorize those with different names. So you can get a King Christmas tree, or you can get a Queen King of Christmas tree, or you can get a Prince King of Christmas tree. There's all different ones. So I've got in here what's called a Prince Christmas tree, and it's 7 feet, and it's got LED lights already on it. So let's see what that includes in the box. Also, I'll make sure to include my affiliate link down below, so if you want to pick up your own King of Christmas tree, make sure you order early because they do sell out quickly. Okay, so the first thing I see in the box is obviously the Christmas tree stand. So that looks like a pretty standard metal base with 4 legs. This is a tree storage bag, so you don't have to keep your Christmas tree in the box. They send you a nice bag that you can put it in. So I'll open that up and show you what that looks like. Oh, it's big. Oh, it's big. Oh, it's really big. It's really big. That's nice. So that's like a huge duffel bag, and it feels like it's nice and sturdy. And I will say, I've never gotten a storage bag with a Christmas tree before, and I do have a number of other Christmas trees. All right, so it also comes with a little instruction manual and a remote control. Some packing paper in here, and also there is a pair of Christmas Santa Claus gloves. Oh yes, I'll have to put those on right away. I wonder if they will fit me. I have big hands. They're pretty small. I don't know if you can see. They're like, they don't fit. They're really small. They're really small. Okay, so the gloves are really small. We'll just fake it for now. I mean, they're pretty nice. They go up past my elbows, which, I mean, is a look, right? This is a look. Now, obviously, inside the box is also the Christmas tree. Let's look at the instructions. So the instruction manual says part list, metal tree stand, pair of gloves, storage bag. I got all 3 of those, so check, check, check. Great. Step 1, locate the tree stand and assemble it by separating the legs. Oh yeah, I guess that would be important. And then locate the bottom section of the tree marked A and attach it to there. And then it says you put together A, B, and C. So ABC 1, 2, 3. All right, done. Tree stand. Now, part A. Oh my gosh, this is really heavy. Like, it's quite, this is heavy. I'm gonna just assume that I just put this in here. There, A. Oh, okay, it comes with a little switch, a little floor switch that you can step on. Now, I'm just going to open this up a little bit so I can find the I can find the hole. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's got a lot of tree tips and they look really nice. Something else that's kind of neat about the King of Christmas trees is they have something that's called a power bar or a power tower, tower of power, not sure. It goes in the middle and it just, when you connect the trees together, it just illuminates them all together automatically. You don't have to search for the pieces to plug into each other. The electricity runs through the middle. Okay, so here's the next piece. Oh wait, no, that's not. That's the last piece. Tricky. So you gotta do it in the right order. Ugh. Okay, yeah, this piece is really quite heavy too. This tree weighs a ton. So you just stick that in there. So you just stick that in there. Like that. Very easy to do. So just like the other one, we'll just open it up. Oh, and I can tell that there's snow all the way in the middle. It's really nice. This looks really nice. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Stunning. Stunning. Keep in mind, this also does need to be fluffed, fluffed, fluffed. So let's go ahead and put the third part on. Okay, so that's there. Okay, so I should just move the camera back a little bit so you can see more of it. It's very full. It looks great. I really like it. We've got the tree set up. It's quite tall, 7 feet, obviously, but I can tell already by the weight and the fullness of this tree that this is going to be really nice. So let's plug it in and make sure the lights work. So we'll just spin this around. Woo! Woo! There we go. On. The King of Christmas does come with a 2-year warranty, so that's good to know. I'm going to spend a bit of time fluffing out this Christmas tree so that it looks much more full. But this is the 7-foot lit Prince King of Christmas tree, and that's what it looks like out of the box. Alright, well, big thank you to the King of Christmas for sending me this tree to unbox and review. Don't forget to check the description box down below for my affiliate link. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. The links are in the description down below as well. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And I wish you a very Merry Christmas. I'll see you for another video next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.